Okay, so here's the buckwheat pillow. I took it out of the bag. It came in that really cool bag, and there was some crunchy paper, so I took that off. So it came with a pretty little bow, which is nice. Now, this thing weighs, this is their standard size. I mean, this thing weighs probably at least 3-4 pounds. So it's really chunky. And what I like is it kind of feels like a bean bag, actually, like a heavy bean bag. The cover is organic cotton. Buckwheat pillows are completely organic. There's no toxins in them at all, completely chemical free. And let me find the zipper. Oh yeah. So this side has the zipper. And when you open it, the buckwheat holes are in here. Whoop, it's very messy. That's the first thing I'm noticing. Make sure you do this in a place that you can clean up easily. Look, they kind of look like big coffee grinds. Kind of weird. Messy. I would definitely put a cover on top of this for sure. Now, what's neat about this is if you have allergies, it's a great pillow to have because you don't have the feathers, you don't have the dust, and you don't have the moisture, so you sleep much cooler. So for people that get hot, menopausal women, this is something that's a really good pillow to consider. You can make it fatter. They give you extra buckwheat holes in a big bag, so you can add to them and you can take them out. I think it's neat. I really do. I give it a plus.